My name's Ed Brookshire. I work at Spartan Aviation in Denver at the Broomfield campus, part of the power plant group. So I've been there about 3 years. It's a great job. I still enjoy working with the students, and they're a good bunch of people. It's really encouraging to see some high-quality students coming out of Spartan. They go into general aviation or the airlines. But I've had students who immediately went to Alaska, went to work for little companies up there in the summertime, and got great jobs. In the aviation program, they'll take general classes that'll teach them all about aircraft and rules and regs and the basics. In the airframe class, they'll learn how to do sheet metal work and a lot of the components on the aircraft. Then, of course, in the power plant section, they'll learn turbines and reciprocating engines. By the time they get done, they're pretty good at overhauling magnetos and inspecting engines, and they've got the basics down quite well. So there's a big demand for A&Ps. A number of them go into the commercial airlines, a lot of them go into general aviation, a few corporate, but a lot of students go into other fields that want the A&P curriculum. Stay in school and graduate. And above all, don't be shy of taking math classes. If you get into working on airplanes, you need to know math. Math is really important. Our goal is to give everybody the same opportunity. It's the student's job to make it work, to learn and do their homework and all that. This is a great program. It's a real opportunity. Highly encourage it.